The difference between treating the groin here and being a few mils off, say I'm out here, Ninja, like I change, you guys wouldn't see much happening there on camera, but if I'm just there, it's totally different, isn't it? Yeah. And that can be the difference between fixing somebody and not fixing somebody.
Hey guys, Das Ninja here, owners of MMT. Today we're going to do a masterclass on the groins, also known as the adductors. Why are they called the adductors? Because they adduct the leg. So abduction, we're talking adducting to the midline of the body. Now, here at Melbourne Muscular Therapies, we see a lot of clients with groin pain, and we are the best in the world at it because of this reason. We come right up to the groin attachment sites on the pubis. All along here, you'll find adductor longus, brevis, magnus. Okay, so we're actually going to be working onto that bone and connecting into the tendon where things are being stagnated, where pain originates. I'm going to show you on this anatomy chart as well, or this guy here on our central anatomy, where exactly the groins originate and where they're inserting. So we're going to be focusing on these areas here. So this guy, adductor longus, we've got our pectineus above it. And then when I add some layers to this as well, sorry guys, let's peel back a few layers. You can see in here as well, that's our little adductor brevis here. So we're going to be working all along that pubis bone there. So I'm going to focus on Ninja's left groin today. So let's have a little look. What I like to do when people come in with hip pain, I more than often, treat the groins because of how large they are and their responsibility in terms of their joint action. In sport, in the gym, even when you are sedentary, the groins are more often than not really tight, okay? So Ninja's got pretty smooth movement, a little bit of a catch on the internal rotation, but I'm pretty happy with that. And then what we're looking for is here. Now, his first bind is, come and have a look at this, Leo. I wanna have a look at this gap under there. See that gap? I'm gonna get that to fall all the way down by taking the load and the pressure off the origin site. Now, the reason, as I said, that we are so successful and we are so effective and get results is because where we get our elbow into, where we connect. So come up here, Leo. I want to show you with my elbow because this is important. A lot of people miss this. Can you hold that, Ninja? I'm coming right up with my elbow, so I can't start sharp because I'll flick over that adductor magnus. Broad to sink in, pin, and slowly connect. That's a pretty sacred spot. It's not somewhere that I want to force my pressure. It's not somewhere that I need to create trauma. It needs to be therapeutic. And for people with tight groins, you would understand that it's a painful area. And it can be limiting the way that the hip functions, the hip moves, your power, your performance, your speed, because of the limitations of the tissues and the restrictions that you feel around that area can be quite jumbled up and binded together. So the fascia can become sticky and adhesive, and the blood flow and circulation through there isn't flowing. So all I'm doing is pinning, holding, and after a minute or two, once I start to sink through the layers of those tissues, like the adductor magnus is really evident. You can feel that that's like a really thick guitar string. It's quite fibrotic. That's where I'm connecting into. But then the real money is right up, and I'm angling my elbow and spearing into there. So come and have a look at my eyesight there, Leo. That's where I want to be a master. That's where I want you guys as body workers, as practitioners, as somebody that needs this treatment. You need the treatment right up into that spot where the sun doesn't shine. So I connect in, I grab this guy, and I pin. Now, I'm not going to give too much away because we do have a bodywork course where Ninja is the guru teaching other practitioners our style of treatment and why it gets results and what works. And our philosophies and concepts are given away in drip feeding to you guys on YouTube. But to go more in detail, to get more to be more thorough about it and why we do what we do, join our bodywork course. Come and learn this world-class bodywork. Results-based. It's efficient,
It's effective. It gets people out of pain, and that's all we want to do, man. There's so many people living in pain out there at the moment, and unfortunately, there's this mediocre level of practitioners. It's a saturated market. There's too many massage therapists, myotherapists, physiotherapists skipping the bodywork, and the bodywork to us is the most important part of the healing journey and getting people back to performing that they want to and they desire in their sport or in everyday life. So now that I've pinned in there, I'm just gonna be a little bit more present with my treatment. I'm just gonna switch off for a minute and try and get to these spots. All right, so I'm right up in there. How's that feeling for you, Ninj? Can you give me some feedback as to what you feel?
Yeah, it's sort of when you kind of go up underneath that tendon, that's where that under there.
Yep.
When you went down a little bit, it wasn't
too bad.
But then it's that's therapeutic sensation. Kind of really recognise it, resonate with it, and know that it's actually beneficial. So, yeah, it's
and
awesome.
we are modest. We keep our L plates on, meaning we're always learning. We're always receptive to feedback. I'm the master, but I'm also treating the person who feels the tension, feels the pain. So ask that, create this relationship where you trust one another, and Ninja can trust me to use my tool, my elbow, to guide me into the correct slot. It's like a key in a keyhole, and it just fits and it just works. So Ninja wants me more in there. For you, it might be on top of that tendon. For someone else, it might be hooking in and under. Just work with your client. It's really important. And it's quite a lot of force. Like I'm in a side plank here, guys. So if you want to get strong at body work, get in the gym, do some side planks, because it's a lot of shoulder. But I'm leaning into that. Might grab his knee and really pull into that spot there, and then connect up. So I'm touching that pubis bone where the white matter is, where the blood flow isn't as rapid as it would be into the muscle belly. And I've spent a few minutes in here, and all I've done is change my angles.
It's been really good, man.
And just staying really connected. The difference between treating the groin here and being a few mils off, say I'm out here, Ninj, like I change, you guys wouldn't see much happening there on camera, but if I'm just there, it's totally different, isn't it? Yeah. And that can be the difference between fixing somebody and not fixing somebody. It's attention to detail with your treatment and knowing what you're doing and where to go. And that's what our course and that's what our practitioners here at MMT are always working towards, is being connected. Connection is our currency, and it's something that we pride ourselves on, and it's something that we want all practitioners that have the desire to upskill and be that go-to person in their space, in their community, in their footy club, in their gym, in their taekwondo, whatever it is that they're doing, their tennis club. If there's a therapist within that community, people are going to have tightness and pain and build up. They need the person to help them get out of pain or relieve their tension. And this is what we've tested and trialled over the best parts of 3 decades, has worked. Ninja's tested and trialled over the best parts of 3 decades. I'm a decade into it, but I'm lucky enough that he did the research for me.
The heavy lifting.
He's done the heavy lifting. And now I'm going to just add a little bit of dynamic, and I'm going to hurt him a bit here, but it's
good pain.
Yeah.
Therapeutic.
Yeah.
Fuck,
So what I'm doing there is I'm stretching the adductor magnus, but I'm staying connected. I'm grabbing the table here to reinforce it, and then pin.
Strong.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to go deep. Don't be afraid to give them a bit of elbow grease. It's called work for a reason, you know. You gotta do the work.
Dear, oh dear.
How you doing, brother? Let's
Yeah,
take
good.
5 deep breaths, and I want you to picture the pain just evaporating, the tension just melting, this tissue becoming soluble and soft. All right, let's go 4 more. bigger and longer. 2 more, brother. And I'm going to sink out of that.
Whew. Come and have a little look. You can see the coloration of where the blood flow, where I've targeted. It's seriously the size of my elbow. There's not a whole lot of surface area that I need to cover. I don't need to do long strokes. I don't need to cover the whole groin to be effective. Let's have a look over here, Leah. We saw the gap earlier. Pretty much flat. I reckon there's going to be a little bit. Do you think it's more on top, Ninja, or underneath for you if I'm going to come and hook?
That feels my range.
Yeah, that feels completely flat.
Yeah.
You can feel some restriction in your back or
A little
something.
bit back, yeah, but that's trying to twist or keep me stable, you know. But that can go.
Yeah, that's
fine.
That's awesome. I'm just going to show you one more style, one more tactic, one more strategy. It's using the opposite elbow. I'm going to connect in. I'm going to get as close to that pelvis as I can. I'm going to roll over the tendon, and then I'm going to hook back up towards Ninja's shoulder.
Shit.
Yeah. Now, OP sufferers, I had 3 of you in on Wednesday in a row, and the common denominator is pain on the pubic bone or above it, pain in the groin. If you are skipping out on getting an elbow and connected into that area, then you're not being effective. You're not going to get the results that we get after treating this area so thoroughly and really precisely and using, you know, the tips of our elbows and tools, thumbs, whatever it might be to connect into where that pain is stuck, where the block is. Sometimes it's little bits of scarring, fragments of the bone that are like barnacles on the bottom of a boat, and you're literally just like shaving them off. It's like filing your nails. I'm filing away that build-up. And that's a nice analogy to consider or think about. If that resonates with you, sometimes it might feel like that's what's going on for you people that have OP or just hip or pain discomfort. And that happens all around the hip, all around the body. If you've got build-up of calcium deposits and extra collagen because the body's trying to heal that area, what happens is those fragments actually take up space because they cause friction, and essentially that is irritated and inflamed. That inflammation causes the pain. So if that's something that, you know, if that makes sense for you, if you've got pain, that's essentially what's happening. And me as a body worker, I'm filing away, chiseling away really precisely, making sure that those fragments are cleared away into the bloodstream and cleared off into the lymphatic system, letting the body heal. We're just creating an environment for the body to heal. Now I'm going to lean back and over. Sinking out of that, now I'm going to go up and under there.
Yeah, that's it. That's the move.
There's the bone. And feel the great connection there with my elbow into his bone. Beautiful. Don't get caught in no man's land.
That's it.
Stay on the
rails. Yeah.
Stay on the rails.
We said that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Stay on track.
Trying to give the viewers something to see there without me covering it. It's a bit hard, but. But that's it in a nutshell.
It sure is.
Hip pain, groin tension, understand what the groin does and how, as a body worker, you can be more efficient and more effective. You want results, hit the link below, become a certified body worker. No matter where you are in the world, we can teach you. Thanks for watching. If you've got hip pain, come in and see one of us. We'll fix you up.
Done.